Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayana, or you can call me AP for short, girl. Either is fine, okay? In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be doing a Fashionphile, okay, unboxing. I kind of opened her a little teeny bit, but I haven't like fully got into her yet. But I'm going to be doing a Fashionphile unboxing of a pair of Chanel sneakers. A pair of Chanel sneakers that I bought maybe about two weeks ago. They're summer shoe. I bought them for the summertime, so I wasn't really in a rush to open them, simply because I won't be able to wear them now because you can't tell, but it's snowing outside, like a good 3 to 4 inches. It's real ghetto, okay? It's ghetto. She does not do snow. She is a summer baby, okay? But yes, I'm not gonna ramble in this video, but yes, I'm gonna be doing a Fashionphile Chanel tennis shoe unboxing, okay? So get comfy and we can get into these shoes, okay, sis? All right. So I already opened the box, as you can see. I already opened the box, but as you can see, it's just the Fashionphile, and like I said in my last video, package girl, okay? Give me some packaging, please. But the box is a Fashionphile box, and then inside of her we have a Fashionphile nail file, which I need because my nails are looking a little trash. But it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet, okay? Period. I want to see myself in my closet. Yes. So this is cute. And then she also came with a Fashionphile 2021 calendar. Oh, okay, Chanel. With the Chanel mini. Yeah. The 4-pack, yes. Okay, so a quick little overview. Just, okay, VCA, Rolex, Tiffany, yes. What's this? VCA, Cartier. Is this Hermes? Yes. But yeah, just a calendar. Y'all know what a calendar look like, but each month has a different bag or shoe on it. Cute. She will be using this. Probably, possibly, hopefully. A calendar. And then my receipt booklet. See, packaging. Put my receipts in an envelope and stick it. Packaging. That's all I asked for, is packaging. And then yeah, I'm assuming I need some lotion. I'm assuming this is my envelope. Not my envelope. My receipt. Oh, one of my confetti. We're gonna get to that in a second. We want this back when you're ready. Simply click sell back. Y'all not getting hurt. Y'all not getting it back. They're home. Okay. So this is my sale receipt. Ooh, I did not realize I paid this much for these. Damn. I did not realize I paid this much. But these are the Chanel Calfskin Mesh Lycra Women's Logo Sneakers. I'm not going to tell you the size that I got because I have big feet. Mind your business. I don't know if I want to tell y'all the price. I didn't realize I paid this much. Damn. They cost a pretty penny, I'll just say that. So I'm going to tuck this away. But yeah, my receipt booklet. And then, let me turn it this way. Oh, y'all can see my address a little bit. And then it has the confetti. And then it says, used is the new. I would do I want to throw my confetti, but girl, I'm going to be the one to have to clean it up. So, I want to make my confetti rain, but I think I'm gonna just make it sprinkle back into the box. We're not gonna make it rain, boy, okay? We're gonna make it sprinkle into the box for aesthetics. I'm not cleaning this up. But yeah, it comes with the confetti, and then then it says, thank you from the bottom of this box. That's cute. I like that. More confetti. Give packaging. Please, give me packaging. Okay, this is going to be a mess to clean up. It's cute now, but I'm gonna be irritated in a good 10 minutes picking up all this damn confetti. Okay. Oh, Jesus. And I didn't even make it rain with the confetti. I made it sprinkle. Why is it everywhere? Use is the new. I'm gonna slide it out. Oh, okay. Or I can take it off. But you see how they have it wrapped in paper? That makes me happy. Like, don't just put my box in the box. Like, wrap it in paper, please. Yes. I'm so annoying, but yes. She's so pretty. She has a couple of scratches on her though. But yeah, this is the box. Pretty. Chanel me. Let's get into her. She comes with the Fashionphile box. She comes with the Fashionphile dust bag. That's cute. And I love that they still send you a dust bag, like their branded dust bag, even if your purchase comes with a dust bag. 2 Chanel dust bags. And it looked like whoever had these shoes prior to me didn't really use the dust bags because they have the crease and everything in them. So yeah, it looks like whoever had these shoes before me didn't really wear these shoes. And these shoes were classified in the... I want to say these were classified under new, whatever is under giftable, whatever is directly under giftable. So I want to say either new or excellent. I want to say new is what these were classified as, and they look new. I'm sorry, the dust bags look new. I don't know what the shoes are giving yet. Pretty. And then here they go. I'm gonna take them out, but they come with the Fashionphile little sticker thing. What does this say? Certificate of authenticity. Item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. Oh, and then it also has the let me take the shoe out so you can see. Yeah, and then it also has, okay, it says snip this tag to make this beauty yours. No returns once removed. Handy dandy scissors. I already had them because I knew I was keeping them, okay? Well, let me look at them first before I start to snip. And then in the picture, in the picture on the website, there was, yes, this is the shoe. So there was a picture of this. I don't know what this is. It's like a little stain, but they had close-up pictures of it, so I was aware of it. I don't know if I can, I'll show you guys later once I snip this. So snip, snip, how? I'm annoying, but yeah, they're home. Snipping the tag off, okay? Throw that down there. But yes, Chanel. Here they go. It does look like it's a little dusty, but that's nothing a little water can do. Can't fix. Yeah, but here they go. Here's the second pair. They look damn good to me. Yeah, and it looks like little to no wear, if any. The bottoms look good. It isn't any creasing. These look good, y'all. Oh, and you see I kind of mashed them over. But yeah, these look so good. Oh my God, I love them. These are so cute. But these are definitely a summer shoe for sure. So, oh, let me show you what else comes in the box. The paper, obviously. Oh, I didn't know they were gonna come with extra shoestrings, but extra shoestrings. I'll probably leave the blue on though, because I like the blue. And then, what is this? Oh, just like Probably, yeah, like the Handle with Care booklets. Yep, just the Handle with Care booklets. What's this? Oh, like a little SKU. You can scan it. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. But yeah, little Handle with Care booklets. So these would be like a perfect summer shoe. And you see how you can like see, you can see, I know y'all can see my finger. How you can see my finger a little bit right there. So once I put them on, pretend that's my toes, but you'll be able to see. Well, I'm gonna wear socks, so I guess that really doesn't make a difference. But they're mesh. And then I want to, oh, you know what? This would look really good with like a yellow outfit or pink. Because I want to start playing with colors because my wardrobe is majority all black. I am a all black girl, but I really want to start playing with colors. The unboxings that I'll be doing, if you guys like these unboxings, it'll probably mostly be a lot of colored and printed things because I want to, you know, I just want to, you know, I want to be a little cute, you know, I don't want to be in all black in the summertime. You know, all neutral. Well, I'm still probably it's gonna be a bad habit to break, but anyways, I'm bringing more color into my wardrobe, so that's why I bought these and I love them. And I will include a picture or video or whatever of them on. Yeah, so here are my babies. And they are on the dust bag. Don't ever put no shoes. I don't care if they say they're brand new or not. I don't care if they say they're giftable. Don't ever put no shoes on your bed, okay? Your mama should have taught you about it. Don't put no shoes on your bed. Period. But here they go. The beauties. They're home. Welcome home, baby girls. And yeah, I will include a video or, yeah, a video of them on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I rambled way less, I think, in this video. I hope. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video, okay? I'll see you in my next video, okay? Oh, bye girl.